That's to put it lightly here. We've got lots of changes happening today, but I thought I'd start at least this weather segment with a nice pretty view, some nice views of that sunrise. And Fargo, it's still pretty quiet right now. So our view on the tri-level has been nice and bright. We're seeing that traffic start to pick up and your morning commute really get going there. We have the snow on the way, but it's not quite there yet. Here's a look at Hankinson. You can see that we have a cloud deck overhead. The sun just rose there. This is our live view at Dakota Magic Casino, and now the sun behind the clouds at this point in time. Lake Park has enjoyed a nice little sunrise, and Badette looking just pink on the horizon there, but you're about to see more clouds and that chance for some snow move in because we've got this larger area of snow in southern parts of Saskatchewan, and that's going to be moving into that northwestern Minnesota area. And then as we head into eastern North Dakota, there's that line of snow approaching Grand Forks right now. So you'll soon see some flakes, if not already. And this line stretches down toward the James River Valley and eventually starts to move into Fargo. So soon the FM area will see this. And then there's a line behind that where we may be getting some transition from snow to perhaps a little freezing drizzle we're going to have to watch out for on the warm side of this first round of precipitation. So here's a look at our visibility. We are looking pretty good in most areas, but you can see it's down in some of these areas getting some snow. We're at less than 2 miles in Hallock and Langdon. So that's affecting your morning drive there. And we'll also have some accumulation on some of these roads as well. So that's going to lead to slick spots that we've been reporting to you. And wind is out of the south, starting to warm us up. It's not intense yet, but we do have some wind speeds into the 20s right now. So it is picking up. It's actually helping our temperatures to rise, but it's going to make for some difficult conditions. So let's take a look at our hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see this snow continue to make its way through. We have the potential for this snow to be heavier at times, especially on the warmer side of this system where we've got a little more moisture to work with. And then in addition to that, the wind will be blowing that snow around. So it's going to reduce your visibility where it's happening. By the time we get into the 9 o'clock hour, we're looking at winds gusting into the 30s to about 40 miles per hour. And in addition to that, we'll see that snow moving eastward and the snow or the wind continues to pick up. I mentioned that on the back side of this, we've got that warmer air punching in. So this is the area just before that snow tapers off that we could see a little bit of freezing drizzle, freezing rain, and potential for kind of icing going on. But at the same time, our temperatures are rising and we'll be climbing above freezing. So that window is going to be pretty small, but still it's happening when a lot of folks are out on the road. So keep in mind that going on as well in addition to the snowfall. And the wind, of course, turning as we get that surge of warmer air pushing in. So by 3 o'clock, a lot of us in the warm sector of this system, we're looking at temperatures above freezing and maybe some of us into the 40s this afternoon. Over to the east, we're still getting the snow, temperatures closer to freezing. And so this snow likely to stick. So you're looking more at some snowy roads, whereas those of us who warm up will have that slushy kind of road situation going on once our temperatures start to rise. And there may be additional areas of light rain. It should be isolated, so it's not going to be as widespread as the snow, but still the potential's there that you could have some raindrops on your vehicle as you're driving along here. Now, this is 6 o'clock. Temperatures very mild at this point. Again, closer to freezing up in the northeast. The rest of us pretty high above that, especially in the south and west. But the wind is turning. We'll still have those strong gusts, 30s to 40 miles per hour or more. And then that wind turns northwesterly heading into tonight. So by 10 o'clock, we're pushing in that colder air. That cold front moves through. With it, this particular model not showing it, not indicating any snow, but there may be a little bit of snow to come with it. And we also have that wind gusting 40, 50 plus miles per hour. And so that would reduce our visibility yet again for tomorrow morning's commute. So it's just going to be tough out there with the colder air rushing in as well. So this is something that's not going to end. It's not going to be this one shot of snow and then we're done with this system. It will have other impacts on us. And you can see snowfall potential. Keep in mind, there's going to be some melting happening, especially on the roadways. So for today, 40. But it comes with a lot of caveats. And then heading into tomorrow, much colder. And Saturday morning will be pretty chilly, but then we work our way out of it heading into next week.
Yeah, it's like a catch-22. We have 40 degrees, but there's a system moving in right now. We're seeing some snow in our area. It's like, it's supposed to be a nice day, but there's that catch. So.
Yep, usually when you warm up like that this time of year, it's because something's causing it to.
Yeah,
and
right.
It's the system.
Yep, great. Lisa, thank you so much.